初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
我想开一个账户。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
我需要什么文件？
What documents do I need?
What documents do I need?
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
我可以开一个储蓄账户吗？
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
Do you offer student accounts?
Do you offer student accounts?
你们提供学生账户吗？
Do you offer student accounts?
Do you offer student accounts?
What is the minimum deposit?
What is the minimum deposit?
最低存款是多少？
What is the minimum deposit?
What is the minimum deposit?
How much is the service fee?
How much is the service fee?
服务费是多少？
How much is the service fee?
How much is the service fee?
Can you explain the interest rate?
Can you explain the interest rate?
你能解释一下利率吗？
Can you explain the interest rate?
Can you explain the interest rate?
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
你们有网上银行吗？
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
How do I apply for a card?
How do I apply for a card?
我如何申请一张卡？
How do I apply for a card?
How do I apply for a card?
Can I get a debit card?
Can I get a debit card?
我可以办一张借记卡吗？
Can I get a debit card?
Can I get a debit card?
I want to deposit some money.
I want to deposit some money.
我想存一些钱。
I want to deposit some money.
I want to deposit some money.
Can I withdraw cash here?
Can I withdraw cash here?
我可以在这里取现金吗？
Can I withdraw cash here?
Can I withdraw cash here?
Please deposit this check.
Please deposit this check.
请存入这张支票。
Please deposit this check.
Please deposit this check.
Can I get smaller bills?
Can I get smaller bills?
我可以要小面额的钞票吗？
Can I get smaller bills?
Can I get smaller bills?
What is the withdrawal limit?
What is the withdrawal limit?
取款限额是多少？
What is the withdrawal limit?
What is the withdrawal limit?
Can I use the ATM outside?
Can I use the ATM outside?
我可以用外面的 ATM 机吗？
Can I use the ATM outside?
Can I use the ATM outside?
My card was swallowed by the ATM.
My card was swallowed by the ATM.
我的卡被 ATM 机吞了。
My card was swallowed by the ATM.
My card was swallowed by the ATM.
How do I reset my PIN?
How do I reset my PIN?
我如何重置我的密码？
How do I reset my PIN?
How do I reset my PIN?
Can you check my balance?
Can you check my balance?
你能查一下我的余额吗？
Can you check my balance?
Can you check my balance?
I want to close this account.
I want to close this account.
我想关闭这个账户。
I want to close this account.
I want to close this account.
I need to transfer some money.
I need to transfer some money.
我需要转账一些钱。
I need to transfer some money.
I need to transfer some money.
Can I send money abroad?
Can I send money abroad?
我可以往国外汇款吗？
Can I send money abroad?
Can I send money abroad?
What is the transfer fee?
What is the transfer fee?
转账费用是多少？
What is the transfer fee?
What is the transfer fee?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
需要多长时间？
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
Can I pay bills here?
Can I pay bills here?
我可以在这里付账单吗？
Can I pay bills here?
Can I pay bills here?
Can you set up auto payment?
Can you set up auto payment?
你能设置自动付款吗？
Can you set up auto payment?
Can you set up auto payment?
I want to change my account details.
I want to change my account details.
我想更改我的账户信息。
I want to change my account details.
I want to change my account details.
Can I receive money from overseas?
Can I receive money from overseas?
我可以接收海外汇款吗？
Can I receive money from overseas?
Can I receive money from overseas?
Please confirm this transaction.
Please confirm this transaction.
请确认这笔交易。
Please confirm this transaction.
Please confirm this transaction.
Can I cancel this payment?
Can I cancel this payment?
我可以取消这笔付款吗？
Can I cancel this payment?
Can I cancel this payment?
Do you offer investment accounts?
Do you offer investment accounts?
你们提供投资账户吗？
Do you offer investment accounts?
Do you offer investment accounts?
Can I open a fixed deposit?
Can I open a fixed deposit?
我可以开一个定期存款吗？
Can I open a fixed deposit?
Can I open a fixed deposit?
What is the interest rate now?
What is the interest rate now?
现在的利率是多少？
What is the interest rate now?
What is the interest rate now?
Do you have retirement plans?
Do you have retirement plans?
你们有退休计划吗？
Do you have retirement plans?
Do you have retirement plans?
Can I buy bonds here?
Can I buy bonds here?
我可以在这里购买债券吗？
Can I buy bonds here?
Can I buy bonds here?
What is the safest option?
What is the safest option?
最安全的选项是什么？
What is the safest option?
What is the safest option?
Can you explain this product?
Can you explain this product?
你能解释一下这个产品吗？
Can you explain this product?
Can you explain this product?
What is the risk level?
What is the risk level?
风险等级是多少？
What is the risk level?
What is the risk level?
Do you have mobile banking?
Do you have mobile banking?
你们有手机银行吗？
Do you have mobile banking?
Do you have mobile banking?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。